Hi, everybody. Welcome to another week of biology online learning. And I thought I'd start out this week with giving you a video announcement to let you know what this week is going to be looking like. So hopefully you know that this week is our first time attempting to take a test. So we're now done with chapter 13 and testing will be the first 2 days of this week. So block 1 on Monday, April 20th, you will be taking your test. And your test is only available in Google Classroom from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Okay, after 12 noon, it goes bye-bye. So you want to make sure you take it between 9 and noon. Honors Biology, your test is available Tuesday, April 21st, between 9 and noon. And Block 8, your test will be on Tuesday, again between 9 and noon. So if you've been used to sleeping in, you might want to set an alarm so that you can wake up and go ahead and get your test done before noon on the assigned day. Another thing I want to tell you about the test. For those of you in the biology classes, you're familiar with test day where I would pass out test A, test B, test A, test B, and alternate. That's going to be the same thing. Some of you have been assigned a test A, some of you have been assigned a test B. They're the same test, just things are in different orders and things of that nature. That is true for all the tests for all the students in all of my biology classes, including honors biology. Also, all the tests are going to require a password. So let's get this out of the way. The password, when you open up your test, there will be instructions. Read the instructions. Don't breeze by the instructions because the instructions contain the password. And you need to put in the password before you're allowed to take the rest of the test. Okay? Write the password exactly as I have it written in the instructions. And so for all the passwords, you're going to capitalize the first letter and the rest of the letters are going to be lowercase. Okay? So don't forget to put in that password before you start the test. Another thing I wanted to mention with the test is that I'm okay with you using your notes, your study guide, your textbook to help you do the test. Okay, we're all learning differently than we've ever have done before. So I'm okay if you use your notes, study guides, textbook to complete the test. That's okay with me. You can show your parents this video if they're wondering about that, okay? So that's fine with me. But what I am not okay with is you helping each other out. That is a no-no. Shame, shame. We're not going to do that. So take it independently of your classmates. Okay, do not be taking it at the same time. Again, you have different tests scattered amongst you anyway. Hopefully I will confuse it enough where that would not be a good use of your time anyway. So take it independently on your own. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you get stuck during the test on some technical thing, please let me know so I can help you. Okay, so that's everything with the test. Hopefully it will go well. This is my first time doing a test here too, so fingers crossed everything will go well. All right, so that's announcement number 1. Announcement number 2, if I can move the slides forward, is the zoo projects. Okay, I myself have kind of forgotten about this whole zoo project stuff as I've been trying to get everything onto an online version for you guys. But we still need to do the zoo project. It's a big chunk of our grade and we're already heavily invested in it. So we actually had a zoo check-in, I think, last Friday, which I completely spaced myself. And maybe you did too. So I'm going to tell you or ask you to be caught up on your zoo project by Friday, April 24th, this Friday. And then this next weekend, I'll go through and catch up on my grading and make sure that we're all making some progress on the zoo project because pretty soon it's going to be due. So catch up by Friday, April 24th, in case that slipped your mind like it did me. All right, then the last big announcement is that, oh man, now you guys can't see me. But the last big announcement is that we're starting a new chapter, obviously, because we are done with chapter 13, and that's chapter 24, Human Genetics. It's one of my favorite chapters because finally, after studying traits, how they get passed on from parents to offspring, DNA, how DNA is read by the cell, we have a chapter that specifically focuses on a handful of things specific to us, humans, our genetics. So it's a fun chapter. I hope you enjoy it. I wanted to mention that next week you will be getting some information about a summative project. Yeah, I haven't forgotten about those yet either. This summative project, you'll be researching a genetic disorder, and you'll put together a little Google Slides presentation about a genetic disorder with a partner. I will assign those partners to you. I'll give you a chance to sign up for a genetic disorder to research, and you'll basically collaborate together on a Google Slides presentation gathering information about a particular genetic disorder. But more specific information to come about that next week. So, blessings on your week. Hope it goes well. Good luck on your test. And again, I'm always here to help during office hours or through email. Miss you all. Hope to see you in May. Bye.